The Financial and Managerial Accounting Associate Exam Review 2024 by Zen Academy is an essential resource for candidates preparing to ace the FMAA exam by the Institute of Management Accountants US. This comprehensive guide is meticulously designed to ensure your success in the first attempt. It includes an extensive collection of study materials encompassing 625 insightful study points that foster a questioning mindset, crucial for understanding complex accounting concepts. Additionally, it offers 628 multiple choice questions complete with detailed explanations for each answer choice, enabling a deeper grasp of the subject matter. One of the most remarkable features of the FMAA Exam Review 2024 is its commitment to your success. With this guide, you gain the lifetime access to the material, bolstering your preparation journey with enduring support. This feature is especially beneficial for those who seek the long-term study plans or may need to revisit concepts periodically. Furthermore, Zen Academy goes a step beyond by offering personalized assistance. You have the unique opportunity to directly interact with the Mohammed Zain, the author of the review material, through unlimited questions via WhatsApp or email. Mohammed Zain provides expert answers, ensuring that all your doubts are clarified. This level of individualized support is rare and can significantly enhance your understanding and confidence. The goal of Zen Academy is singular and focused: to help you pass the FMAA exam on your first attempt. With a 90% success rate, the FMAA Exam Review 2024 stands as a testament to Zen Academy's commitment to professional excellence. Subscribing to this review from the Zen Academy's website marks the beginning of a journey towards achieving your career aspirations in the accounting field. With Zen Academy, you are not just preparing for an exam, you are stepping towards professional excellence and success.